Hi guys, my name is Nishan Maurya and I'm from Team 4i. So we have made this wonderful website called MentorConnect for our college, and since it was made from the perspective of our college, so a lot of things would be seen according to the mentoring process that the college has provided to us. But the main structure, the base structure would be the same that we can provide to you all. So let's have a look at the website that we have made. So this is a normal login page that we have provided, and we have made a profile for each student present on our website. So a mentor can evaluate on the basis of some of the fields like soft skills, technical skills, and they can also add some tags. For example, the what are the positive aspects and what are the areas that a particular student needs to improve. So this is helpful in keeping a track of students progress throughout all the semesters. And next, we have a form that was provided to us by the college. A student and a mentor, when they are having a one-to-one session, the student needs to fill some form each semester. So we have provided a QR code where student will be able to scan that and get this form on his phone, and they can just simply fill this form. All the fields were provided by the college, and after submitting this form, they can just simply download the copy of the Word file. So this is the whole structure of the form given to us by the college. So there is this thing called as mentor remarks. So every semester, the mentor has to observe the student and add what are the progress, what are the observations that he has made regarding uh, for that student. And to keep a track of this, we have also made a page where mentors can see which forms were filled, which forms are remaining, and how many forms are remaining to be observed. As you can see, the graph isn't balanced here. So by just clicking on main forms to be observed, they'll be able to see which are the recent forms that are left to observe. So sorry, this is the tag mentor observations, not non-academic observations. So they can just simply recall the session that was done and read the form and add their observations. So we have added some more analytics and also provided a form timeline where we can keep a track of when a form was added, when a form was edited, and many other things. So the next feature that we have created is sessions. So for example, a particular student has problem, and they go and discuss it with their mentor. So to keep a track of that, we have created this. So you have to just simply add a title, description, additional info, and set the priority, and a session will be created. So you can also share this session with any other user on the website. For example, the user can be HOD or any other higher authority that should be reported. And simply next, we have to click on open chat. So this is basically a WhatsApp group that we are creating to solve a problem, and we are including other people who can help us with this. Other people will be as I said, HOD and higher authorities. So when higher authorities asked us that this was the problem and what was your action taken to that, so this is the proof, a very good proof that we can provide to them. Yes, that the department or the college had taken this action. Also, you can just simply generate the summary of the whole chat log that was done. So later on, the mentor who had created this session will have to close this session, and every user of the website or every other mentor that was included in this particular session will have to provide a conclusion at the end of what action they had taken to this. So now let's talk about the admin who will keep the track of all the other mentors and all the other students. So that particular person can be the mentor as well. So for that, we have provided an option to switch the role, so they can manage their both the dashboards. So now what about the semester change process? So we'll be loading the students in the form of batch. For example, we are the batch of 2027, and our semester is 4. So later on, next year, if our semester is incremented, or if the admin has to increment our semester, so they have to just simply drag that particular ball, and a semester will be incremented for all the other mentors, for all the other students, and simply the previous data will be stored, and they'll be able to view it as a history of that particular student. So the admin will have access to all the analytics of their particular branch. What is the form completion status, and what is the analytics of the sessions created. And also, this is the place where they can add a particular student for a particular mentor. For example, there is a case where diploma students are added in the second year, or you have to, or any other case you can consider. So you can just simply come here, select the mentor for which you have to add the student, and you can just simply add that.